It is the 27th of August 2026, and this is today's Spanish A0 to A1 beginner class from LINGUAWIRE, made from real news stories. This class is a podcast and a video lesson, both on linguawire.com, linked below.
Today's main story is about a deadly flood in the Himalaya, with rescue teams still searching for more than 1,300 missing people in Nepal and Tibet. First, there are 3 other stories from today's front page, and all of them can be read on linguawire.com.
First, Meta acepta un acuerdo de $18,000 millones en Estados Unidos.
Meta accepts an $18 billion settlement in the United States. The useful word here is acuerdo. It can mean a settlement or an agreement, so the context tells you which one fits. 18 billion is a very expensive way to say sorry.
Next, OpenAI, empresa de IA de Estados Unidos, investiga un hack en Hugging Face.
OpenAI, a US AI company, is investigating a hack on Hugging Face. The verb investiga is present tense. Headline Spanish often uses the present for something happening now.
And Andy Burnham convoca una cumbre en el Reino Unido.
Andy Burnham calls a summit in the United Kingdom. The verb convoca means he calls or convenes something formally. It is a good news word for meetings and summits.
Now, time for today's main story. Here is today's headline. Nepal busca a más de 1,300 personas tras una inundación mortal. Now say it out loud yourself and see how much you already understand. Nepal
Nepal
busca
is searching for
a más de 1,300 personas
more than 1,300 people
tras una inundación mortal.
after a deadly flood.
The verb busca is in the present tense, so the headline feels immediate and active, as news headlines often do.
Everything from here is also written out on today's lesson sheet.
El jueves, la policía dijo que 826 personas están desaparecidas en Nepal.
On Thursday, the police said that 826 people are missing in Nepal. The verb is decir. It means to say or to tell. Here, dijo is the past tense form for he, she, it said.
Casi 500 son extranjeros.
Almost 500 are foreigners.
En el Tíbet, en China, 558 personas también están desaparecidas.
In Tibet, in China, 558 people are also missing. También means also or too. It is a very handy beginner word for adding another fact.
Los rescatistas usan helicópteros para buscar personas y llevar comida, tiendas y medicina.
The rescuers use helicopters to search for people and take food, tents, and medicine.
Más de 5,000 soldados y policías participan en el rescate.
More than 5,000 soldiers and police are taking part in the rescue.
Now for the verb of the day, buscar. In English, that means to search for. Here it is in the present tense. Yo busco. Tú buscas. Él, ella, usted busca. Nosotros, nosotras buscamos. Vosotros, vosotras buscáis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes buscan. The headline uses. Busca.
Here's a normal everyday example. Yo busco mis llaves cada mañana. In English, I look for my keys every morning.
One last time at full speed. Nepal busca a más de 1,300 personas tras una inundación mortal. Now you... Before you go, one question from today's story. ¿Cuántas personas están desaparecidas en Nepal?
That is, how many people are missing in Nepal? ¿Cuánto? Asks about an amount you do not count one by one. Here it is in everyday Spanish. ¿Cuánto cuesta el pan? How much does the bread cost?
Is it A, 826 personas, 558 personas, or C, más de 5,000 personas?
Think about it. For the answer, 2 more knowledge check questions and today's full lesson sheet, visit the class page linked below. Well done. That is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. The link is with this episode. See you tomorrow.